Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rifki Zimansyah, and now I want to explain you my essay about nuclear power plant is a good resource for future energy. Electricity can be generated in different ways. For example, it can be made using solar panels by burning coal or by capturing the heat from atoms then split apart. When the electricity is made from the atoms splitting apart, it's called nuclear energy. In thermal power plants, uh, convert heat into electricity using steam. But at nuclear power plants, the heat to make the steam is created when atoms splits apart, called fission. When atoms split apart, they release heat. When the process is repeated over and over, it's called a chain reaction. In a nuclear power plant, uranium is the material used in the fission process. Nuclear power plants is very complex. There are many different buildings at the site and many different systems. Some of the system work directly to make electricity. Some of the system work to keep the power plant working correctly and safely. All nuclear power plant have a containment structure that hold at the reactor. And all plants have deep pools where the nuclear fuel, when it's no longer being used, can be cooled and stored. There are the main concerns regarding the nuclear energy. The first is operational safety, and then the nuclear waste management, and the last is risks of proliferation. In the operational safety is the big concern when discussing nuclear energy. The fact that nuclear power plants can shut down even with the slightest suspicion of a malfunction proof how rigid safety standards need to be. And then the waste management, the radioactive byproducts of nuclear fission must be isolated in order to avoid significant harm to the human environment. In the long-term disposal sites, nuclear waste has to be stored for a period up to 1 million years. Compare a coal and oil-based power plant, the volume of nuclear waste is trivial and hence the cost of disposal is also not a significant issue. And the last is the proliferation is problem related to nuclear proliferation is considered as the most sensitive and difficult to solve. According to Todd and Rockner, even in recent years have a rival loophole in the current international agreement and their enforcement mechanism and make it obvious that the major challenge nuclear energy is facing today is to provide an impermeable solution for managing the nuclear fuel cycle in order to prevent proliferation and to eliminate the risks of missioning nuclear material. The future's nuclear power plant is as a major source of energy will depend on whether it can overcome the challenge of the operational safety, proliferation, and waste management. While the third generation power plants are significantly safer than previous one, their cost has to be driven down in order to be economically competitive. New nuclear power plants operate at $1,700 till $3,100 per kilowatt, which cannot compete against natural gas technology, especially when the gas infrastructure is already in place. While nuclear power plant cannot substitute fossil fuel entirely and become the sole sustainable energy resource, it can play a significant role in the decarbonizing the production of electricity. Although we face significant challenges that are constraining the prospect for future development, nuclear power plants should be developed as a potential carbon-free energy resource in order to mitigate future problems of climate change and the environmental concern. I think that's all I can tell you. Thank you for your listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.